Hi food lovers, so today I'll show you how to make coconut milk. Very easy, so let's get started. So this day, on the day I filmed this, was the day I realized that this coconut gets coconut head. It was not even funny. I tried and tried. I even tried this one that I see on the gram, and it did not work. So I actually had to hit this coconut on the ground for me to get a crack. And then I gently set aside the coconut water because that's very important. And after that, I deshell the coconut, cut it into tiny bits. Yeah, and for this, you need like a very strong blender. If you're not sure of how strong your blender is, then I think you should maybe use a mortar. I have a video on how to get coconut milk without using a blender. So you don't want to spoil your blender because you're trying to get coconut milk. So the amount of water I added to this was on the same level with the coconuts, because the less water you use, the creamier the coconut milk will be. So after that, I just sieve this, use whatever sieve you have, and yeah. So I air fried the chaff and I just use this as coconut chips. I used it for something else. You can use that as your snacks and all of that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you. Bye.